Good evening. This is Walter.ai. It is January 24th, 2026, and AI analyzed and generated this script concerning the dual state theory and its application to contemporary America. Ernst Fraenkel was a Jewish lawyer defending dissidents in Nazi Germany until 1938. While practicing, he secretly wrote The Dual State, documenting how authoritarianism thrives not by destroying law, but by splitting it in two. Most Germans lived in what Fraenkel called the normative state, where you start businesses, enforce contracts, go to court. Your regular life continues normally. But alongside this, the prerogative state operated as a zone of lawlessness targeting perceived enemies. Jews, political dissidents, they lived without legal protection, subject to arbitrary violence from the state. This wasn't unique to Nazi Germany. The Jim Crow South operated identically. White Southerners enjoyed constitutional protections, free speech, property rights, economic opportunity. Black Americans lived under lynch law, where white neighbors or government officials could end their lives at will, with the state actively withdrawing protection. The Supreme Court created legal zones where these acts occurred unhampered by federal intervention. The system works because most people don't experience it. When large segments of society live normal lives while others face oppression, the majority rarely rouses itself for the minority. The key mechanism is what Fraenkel called jurisdiction over jurisdiction. The executive decides who stays protected by law and who gets switched into the lawless zone. Once that switch flips, courts lose jurisdiction or become mere implementers of executive will. The structural vulnerability exists because monopoly capitalism often prefers discretionary power over universal rules. Large corporations benefit from tailored decrees and regulatory exemptions only an absolute executive can provide. They accommodate themselves to the demise of rule of law because they're switched into a privileged position, until they're not, and by then, the system has consumed everyone. This is the Walter Report. Full analysis at themenace.ai.